Welcome to Plan Watch Walk, the home of great walking and open and honest equipment reviews. Today's walk we are starting east of Water on the banks of the river North Tyne. We walk along the Tyne initially and then we head inland and we head up along and towards Daly Castle, the ruins of the castle. Before heading across the fells we once again cross the North River Tyne and we now head through Thornley Burn Common and Sidley Wood Woods. Really nice walk across here, some great views along the way as well. As we continue on we pass over Tarset Burn before getting to Black Middens Bastle, just see up here. We now have a really enjoyable stage of the walk, heading over the moors and across the fields, and the tranquility is great and you get some great views along the way. We now start to ascend very slightly and get up to our trig point for the day, which is Midhopelaw Pike, 326 metres. As we start to come down we pass Green Swags Lake and a beautiful little dell with some waterfalls cascading through before getting down to Charlton. Walk along a disused railway line to the end of a great day's walking.